Hello everybody, welcome back. Hi. So as I said in my Forbidden Planet video, unboxing video, I said that I would unbox the figures separately in a different video, so we're going to do that now. I'm quite excited to do this because I've been wanting this figure for like ever, since I ever seen it like in other YouTube videos and arcade videos and those kind of things. Not only this one, but we're also unboxing this. It's a Tokyo Revengers mystery box, and the great thing about this, it's small, but the quality of this is really nice. And when I unbox this, I will change the camera angle so that we can have a better look at it. So don't worry about that. But anyway, let's unbox the big one first. This one I'm excited about the most. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is my first Jujutsu Kaisen figure, so that's great. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm cutting the box itself. Can't open boxes. Damn. Properly. Oh, there's another one here. Okay. Performing surgery. Alright. Time to take him out. Okay, cool. Clearly, I haven't bought a proper figurine in a while, so this is like new to me. Oh, you have to actually like put him together? I see. All right. Let's put him together, I guess. There's a lot of pieces. Oh, it's not that crazy. Let's try and do this. I should be more gentle, but you know, whatever. Let's take out this piece. We'll have a closer look at this figure afterwards. It's just his body. Once I've taken everything out and I put it together, I will do a closer look at this figure and we can look at this beautiful figure of Yuji Itadori. Ironically, on my plane back home to South Africa, I was watching the movie Jujutsu Kaisen 0, so that's pretty awesome. Okay. I haven't done this before, so I hope I'm gonna put this together properly. Oh my gosh. Alright, that's it. So how does this work? Okay, obviously, these two go together first. Oh, great. I'm glad that it's an easy put together situation. And this, I don't like where this goes. This goes into his butt. Who made this decision? Yeah. I hope I'm putting it in right. I don't want to force it. Okay, I think that's about correct. And then like this. Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. He's actually like, it looks like he's actually kicking and jumping at the same time, like in action. Wow, that is so cool. Okay, we actually have to do a better video so you can see him close up. So let's do that. Okay, let's take a better look at Itadori. He looks amazing just looking at him like this. This is honestly the biggest figure that I bought from Forbidden Planet. Yeah, the detail is crazy. I especially love the hair. And obviously the detail in the uniform and everything. I think this is like my first official proper anime figure. Like proper big figure of a character. But yeah, it's really cool. And unfortunately, I don't have one of those rotating display tables. So this is the best that I can do. Anyway, let's look at the face. It looks good. And I'm just obsessed with the hair especially. It's like he's jumping, so obviously the hair is going to be like flowing and whatever the word you want to use. But he looks fantastic, my boy. I'm so glad I've cosplayed as him as well. And yeah, there's just a lot of detail going on with this figure. I think I spent like £30 on him, or maybe less than £30. Yeah. This is awesome. I love it so much. Alright, I hope that this is a better view for everybody to see everything. Let's see who I got. I don't know who it is since this is a mystery box, so it should be interesting. Okay, I feel like I'm going to destroy this box because it's not like the other one where you just take the tape off and then it opens. This one is where like you could break the box and then it's ruined for life. So let's try and do this. Oh my god, okay. I'm already failing. Ow, my nail. Alright. Okay, that's not so bad. It still looks fine. Oh my god, yes! I got my boy! You can see it's Mikey. That's so cool. Okay, let me take him out of the packet and then you'll actually get to see it properly. Oh, okay, another one where I have to assemble it. Alright, let's try and do this without breaking anything. Okay. Alright. Let's take out all of the pieces real quick. Probably shouldn't open it like this, but you know, whatever. And this one. I'm already opening it like this, so it's fine. It's too late to whip out scissors. Okay. I think that's all. Alright. As you can see, it's Mikey. That's so cool. It's very small, so I can't really like zoom in on it too well. My camera's not very good, but let's put him together first of all. I'm so lucky. What the hell? This is actually my favorite character, ironically. That's so cool. Ta-da! It's very small, but it has a lot of detail. You can even see there are people in his group, in his gang, that is chanting and cheering him on in the background. That is very cool for a mystery box, and for the size and for the detail. Yeah, I'll try and zoom in on it better in a different camera angle. But I'm very, very, very happy and very lucky so far in all the lucky mystery boxes that I've bought. I'm very lucky and happy. Damn, I'm getting the characters that I actually wanted. There's so much detail, even though it's so small, especially in the writing. And here at the back, they even have people cheering him on. Probably screaming, Mikey, Mikey. The hair even looks great. What the heck? This is definitely worth your money. Look at those abs. I absolutely had the best time in London, especially when I visited Forbidden Planet, because I definitely got my money's worth. Manga, figurines, everything. It was so cool, like it was just worth it. I'm so happy with these figures. They are so good, especially the small one that has so much detail. It was so good. Tell me what you think about these figures, which one is your favorite, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. See you in the next video. Bye!